Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Elsword for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Elsword for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Elsword, since that's where we will download the game. So just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download Elsword on this website, first, I want you to click this download tab right here. And after clicking it, you will now be directed to the downloading page of the game. So just scroll down a little and then you will now be able to see the download options right here. So right here, you will have two Elsword versions you can download, the English versions and the Brazilian version. Now it's up to you to select what you prefer, but for me, I will select the English version. And after clicking the download button, your Elsword installer file will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the game. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, the installer will show you the location where the game's installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click Browse and then set it to the folder where you want to save it. But if you're already fine with the location, just click Install. And then the game will now start installing. This might take some time depending on your internet speed, but just wait for it to finish and then you will be able to play the game. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.